Hi class 9 and 10 students, welcome back to Bimal Sarji YouTube channel. This is question number 1, exercise 7.3, equations of straight lines. Vedant excel in optional mathematics class 9. Actually all the questions are solved, only this number is remaining, okay? So don't forget to check the playlist. Now let's start the solution. Here the question is, write down the equation of a straight line in normal form or perpendicular form. So one number, okay, one assumption. So the equations of a straight line. The equation of a straight line in normal normal form or perpendicular form is x normal or perpendicular, okay, x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. Okay, now b number.
ले वो नहीं घर में निकल बाहर चलो जो बाहर चल गए
X cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. Okay, now b number. B number is here. In normal form of equations of a straight line, x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. What are the meaning of alpha and p? So, okay, the meaning. Okay, you can write here the number in normal form. In normal form of equation. In normal form of equation of a straight line line x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. The meaning of p, okay, I write here, okay, comma here. So the meaning of alpha is equal to uh, angle of inclination, okay, or the angle made by perpendicular with x axis. Angle made by perpendicular. Angle made by perpendicular with x axis, okay. And now this p is equal to length of the perpendicular distance from the origin, okay. P is equal to the perpendicular distance distance of the line from the origin, okay. I'll make it clear by the figure. See that, suppose this is our y axis, this is y dash, this is our x, and this is our x dash. Suppose any line is, okay, in the first quadrant, okay. So this line in this, okay, to find this equation of this line, the perpendicular distance, okay, the perpendicular distance here Angle made by perpendicular with x axis. Angle made by perpendicular. Suppose this is now perpendicular, okay, to this line. Okay. So now angle made by perpendicular with x axis. So this is the alpha angle. This is the alpha. This is called alpha. This is alpha. Okay. And the perpendicular distance of the line from the origin. So this is the perpendicular distance P. This distance from origin. Okay. If we know this distance, this figure is very small. Suppose now this is a line, okay. So suppose this is now okay. This is perpendicular from the origin, okay. This is P, perpendicular distance, and this is equal to our alpha, this angle, okay. This perpendicular from this x-axis, okay, in the positive direction. This is alpha, and this is our P, okay. So in this equation, this is the meaning. Now C number. What are the equations of straight lines in three standard forms? So I'll write here C number. So C number. What are the equations? So the equations of a straight line in three standard, okay, three standard forms, in three standard forms. Okay, the equations of the equations of a straight line in three standard forms are number one, that is called slope intercept form. Slope intercept, INTS, intercept form, slope intercept form. And the equation of the slope intercept form is y is equal to mx plus c, one equation. And number two, double intercept form. Double intercept form. Double intercept forms means x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. And the third is the normal or the perpendicular form. The perpendicular or normal form. Okay, the perpendicular normal form same. Perpendicular normal form same. So this is equal to x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. So these three are the equations of a straight line in three standard forms. Now, fourth number, if a straight line passes through the origin and makes an angle of 120 degree with x-axis, what will be its equation? So for D number, now D number. If a straight line passes through the origin and makes an angle alpha, so here alpha, solution, alpha is equal to here, I'll write here, this is first, okay, first know the figure, how the figure actually looks like. This is our y and y dash, x, and this is x dash. Okay, now angle of 120 with x-axis. So if a straight line passes through the origin means, okay, straight line passing through this origin, okay, passing through this origin and makes an angle of 120 degrees. So 120 degrees positive direction, from this direction, not this way, okay, from this direction. This is 120 degree. Okay, and what will be this equation now? This line equation we have to find here. So from this figure we can write so we can write here the line, okay, the line makes an angle, here slope theta, okay, this is theta, inclination of the line with x axis, okay, inclination of the line. So right here inclination inclination of the line, inclination of the line, inclination of the line, inclination of the line, inclination of the line with x-axis, with x-axis in positive direction. So this is equal to, this is indicated by theta. This is equal to what? This is indicated by theta. I write it here, theta. So theta is equal to how much? 120 degree. Now slope of the line. Slope of line, that means m, is equal to tan 120 degree. And now tan 120 degree can be written as tan 180 degree minus 60 degree. Okay. And you know that cast rule tells what? CAST. Cast rule tells what? Cast rule tells that 180 minus 60 is in which quadrant? This is 0, 90, 180. Minus 60 in the second quadrant, and in second quadrant only sign is positive. So tan will be negative here. So minus, and this is tan, so tan as it is. Why? Because there is 180 and 60 degree. This is. Otherwise, you know like this, okay? Tan 180, for tan 180, tan will be tan, and the 60 degree, and cast rule tells what? That the that in the second quadrant only sign is positive, so tan will be negative. Okay, like this we can write. Now we can write here, this is minus tan 60 means root 3. Okay, and the point here, the point x1 comma y1 is equal to x1 comma y1 is point is how much here? Origin is passing through the origin, so write here 0 comma 0. Now therefore the equation, therefore the equation of line is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Now this implies y is y, and y1 means what? This is our x1 and this is y1, so 0. And slope we have got here minus root 3, and x means here is x as it is, minus x1 is here 0. So what we can write from here? Y minus 0, y is equal to minus root 3 into x, and plus minus minus, and this is minus minus plus, and this is 0. Okay, so no need to write here. Now we can write like this: minus root 3 will be this side, this will be what? Plus root 3 x, and plus this is y is equal to 0. Okay, so let me check the answer. Let me check the answer now. The answer in the book of 1 number 1D, root 3x plus y is equal to 0. Root 3x plus y is equal to 0. So dear subscribers, viewers and students, this is the solution of one number. Okay, the video is 13 minutes long. Anyway, what I want to tell you, तपाईहरुलाई म के भन्न चाहन्छु सुन्नुस् है ध्यान दिएर। यो जुन क्वेशन जुन छ नि डी नम्बर को, यस्तै क्वेशन तपाईको यो 2 नम्बर मा रहेछ। फिगर मा पेज नम्बर 150 मा है, 150 पेज मा यही है, अप्सनल म्याथ को 150 पेज मा हेर्नुस्। ए सी र डी मैले अलरेडी सल्भ गरेर मैले प्लेलिस्ट मा राखिदिएको छु, चेक गर्नु होला। र डी मैले हैन, बी चाहिँ मैले हैन छोडेको थिए, र अब तपाईको हैन यो डाउट पनि क्लियर हुन्छ है। अब सेम फिगर छ यसमा, म तपाईलाई ड्राइङ गर्छु र तपाईलाई म हेराउँछु यसलाई पनि। ल डी नम्बर पनि यसमै गर्दिउ क्या हो, यसमै गर्दा झन् राम्रो हुन्छ। ल यसको छुट्टै भिडियो पनि पाउनुहुन्छ र यसमै पाउनुहुन्छ। ल दुबै म यसमै गर्दिन्छु। Okay, 2B number, okay, 2B number, same exercise. So here the given, write down the equation, write down the equation. Write down the equation of the straight straight lines from the following figures. So this D number was remaining. So in the given C the figure is like this. Same figure as D number. One को D number just the figure. Here you can see that PQ. Okay, this is our y-axis. This is y dash. This is our x, and this is our x dash. Okay. Now the line is passing through this. Okay, origin. Okay, this is the origin line, and this name is here PQ. Okay, and the angle from here to here is what? 120 degree. Okay. ल है डियर सब्सक्राइबर, यो जुन क्वेसन थियो नि तपाईको 2B को जुन चाहिँ है सेम अहिले भर्खर मैले 1D को जुन गरेँ नि सेम त्यस्तै छ है। 1D को गरेको तपाईले हैन राम्ररी हैन रिपिट गरेर हेर्नुस्, सेम क्वेसन छ। अब तपाईलाई हैन यसलाई सल्युसन अब म है तपाईको अब यसको आन्सर रङ भएर मैले नबनाएको थियो र अब तपाईलाई मैले स्पष्टीकरण पनि दिनु पर्दैन, तपाईहरु बुझ्नु होला कि यो सल्युसन ठिकै छ है। ल अब मैले म बनाउँछु। ल सल्युसन के छ भने write down the equation of the straight line from the following figure, from this figure. Okay, so from this figure what अहिले भर्खर D नम्बर गरे जस्तै छ सल्युसन। यसमा के गर्दिनुस् तपाई, यहाँ म लेखिदिन्छु 2 को B number 2B. So here you can see we have to find the equation of this PQ, and you can see this is this PQ line is making what 120 degree with this x axis. So right here the line PQ or the inclination of PQ, inclination of PQ with x axis in positive direction, okay, in positive direction, that is theta. Positive direction means this is anti-clockwise direction, okay, this way. If it is like this, then we should not take this, okay, we should take only this direction, okay, this is positive direction, this way, anti-clockwise, घडीको उल्टा दिशामा हुन्छ positive direction. So this is what theta is equal to 120 degree. Now we can write slope. Therefore slope is indicated by m is equal to tan 120 degree or tan theta. What theta value is how much? 120 degree. So now we can write tan 120 degree as tan 180 degree minus 60 degree. Okay. So for tan 180, tan will be tan only, and this 60 degree. Now use the cast tool. Cast tool tells what here? CAST cast tool what tells that in this second quadrant, this is in which quadrant? This is in the second quadrant. See, 120 is in which quadrant? Second quadrant. Why? 180. This is 0, 90, and 180 minus means it is here. And in this quadrant only, see that sign is positive and all are negative, so tan will be negative, so minus. Okay, now this is equal to what? Minus root 3. Now and also the point is here, write down the equation of the straight line from the following figure. So in this figure, this line is passing through the origin, so point x1 y1 is equal to or 0 comma 0, okay, passing through the origin. Now therefore the equation the equation of line is therefore the equation of line is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. This is the formula, and here you can see y minus y1 is here 0, so 0, and slope we got here minus root 3. Yana चुपचाप या बिछा ले बोरा, and here is minus, sorry, this is m value minus root 3 x as it is, and minus x1 is here 0, so y minus 0 is y is equal to minus root 3 and then this x, and minus minus will be plus, and this is minus root 3 into 0 will be 0 only, so it is your choice or not. Okay, don't write it, it is okay. Now minus root 3x we can write here this side root 3x, and this is plus y, so plus y here is equal to 0. So this is the required, write down the equation, is the required equation of the line, is the required equation of line. Note, book answer is wrong, book answer is wrong. Okay, the book answer is given here. The book answer is 2b. 2b, there is x plus root 3y. X plus root 3y is equal to 0. Okay. So this is wrong. Okay, this is wrong answer. So dear subscribers, viewers and students, है यो तपाईले ध्यान दिएर है हेर्नु होला, यो बुकको एन्सर यसमा गल्ती थियो, मैले अस्ति हैन मैले बनाएन हैन, र आज तपाईलाई यो 1 नम्बरको बनाउँदाखेरि डी नम्बर है ठ्याक्क डी नम्बर जस्तै छ तपाईको है। अब तपाईहरु हैन धेरैले भन्नुहुन्थ्यो कि है सर यो एन्सर रङ हो भनेर, अब तपाईले बुझ्नु भयो नि, त्यही क्वेशन अहिले अर्को फर्ममा है दिएको छ यहाँ। के भनेको थियो डी नम्बर हेर्नु त त्यहाँ छ, इफ अ स्ट्रेट लाइन पासेस थ्रु द ओरिजिन, हेर्नु त ओरिजिनबाट छ छैन, एन्ड मेक्स एन एंगल 120 डिग्री मैले मेट दिएको छ, हेर्नुस् डी नम्बरको 120 डिग्री विथ एक्स एक्सिस वाला। मेक्स 120 डिग्री विथ एक्स एक्सिस, व्हाट विल बी इट्स इक्वेसन। अब यसको इक्वेसन के हुन्छ त 120 डिग्री बनाउँछ भने त यही हो इक्वेसन ल, 1 को यसको सेम छ। म तपाईलाई यसको भिडियोलाई ट्रिम गरेर छुट्टै पनि राखिदिन्छु ल, ताकि विद्यार्थीहरुलाई उता खोजे भने फेरि नभेट्दा फेरि कमेन्ट गर्छन् कि सर यो सल्युसन कहाँ छ ल। त जसले राम्ररी भिडियो हेर्नुहुन्छ है उसले सबै सल्युसन पाउनुहुन्छ मेरो युट्युब च्यानलमा। हाततारे है आतिएर हाततारेमा केही पनि हुँदैन, किनभने है तपाईहरुको लागि यति रातिसम्म है यस्तो चिसोमा है ठन्डी मौसममा पनि भिडियो बनाएर खुट्टा दुख्दा यो यहाँको यो दुख्ने गर्छन्, उभिँदाखेरि स्कुलमा पनि उभिएर पढाउनु पर्छ, यहाँ पनि उभिएर भिडियो बनाउनु पर्छ, कहिलेकाहीँ यहाँ चेयरमा बसेर, यहाँ त पढाउन त घरमा छ पढाउन मिलिहाल्छ, तर स्कुलमा यस्ता रुल लगाएका छन् है। म त भन्छु त्यस्ता है रुल लाउनेहरूलाई एकचोटि हैन क्लासमा गएर भरदिन पढाओस् अनि थाहा हुन्छ कि उभिएर पढाउनु भन्नु र गर्नुमा कति फरक हुन्छ। ल केही छैन है, अब टिचर भएपछि त कष्ट उठाउनै पर्छ ल। एनीवे we should enjoy our job ल। ओम नमः शिवाय, हर हर महादेव, बम बम भोले है। आज चाहिँ 22 तारिक है, 22 तारिक यानी कि है जनवरी 22 छ है। अयोध्यामा है ठुलो भव्य हैन त्यहाँ आयोजना है गरेर मनाइरहेको छ। हाम्रो गाउँमा पनि आएको थियो, मैले त्यो भिडियो मैले पनि यहाँ छतबाट है नजिकबाट पनि छतबाट पनि रेकर्ड गरेर राखिदिएको छ कि यस्तो हर्षोल्लास हुनुपर्छ है हिन्दू सनातनी धर्म हो है। अब धेरैले फेसबुक पेजबाट पनि मैले हेर्ने गरेको थिएँ कि इन्डियामा मनाइरहेको हामी किन मनाइरहेछौँ, किन छुट्टी छ, बिदा छ। बाबा त्यो कुरो होइन है। हाम्रो जुन धर्म हो नि हामीलाई एकअर्कासँग गाँस्ने गर्छ। धर्म यस्तो चिज हो है। धर्मले हामीहरूमा शान्ति है र सद्भाव र मान्छेमा पोजिटिभ थिङ्किङ ल्याउँछन्। नेपाल र इन्डियाको बिचमा है रोटी र बेटीको सम्बन्ध छ। हाम्रो सीता माता कहाँको हुनुहुन्थ्यो? जनकपुर नेपालको, र भगवान राम अयोध्या इन्डियाको है। त्यही भएर है अब सीता माताको यहाँ आफ्नै है वासस्थान भएको कारणले गर्दा पनि है हाम्रो उत्तरदायित्व र हाम्रो है यो हक हो है मनाउने। हाम्रो मान्छेहरू रमाउँछन् गर्छन् है, तर कमेन्ट गर्नेहरूले भन्छन् किन मनाएको बाबा। त्यो के अरे त्यो हुन्छ नि क्रिसमस, क्रिसमसको पनि बिदा दिने गर्छन् स्कुलमा, किन मनाउँछन् त है। त्यस्तो नगर्नु, सबैजनाले मनाउँछ, मनाउनु पर्छ है। ल राम्ररी है तपाईहरु यो राम न है यो रामको है त्यो जुन अहिले छ अयोध्याको जुन फंक्सन अहिले है भइरहेको छ आज, तपाईहरु पनि घरमा यसो है राम्ररी मनाउनु होला है। ल राम्ररी भिडियो हेरेर एसीमा राम्रो मार्क ल्याउनु होला, यही मेरो शुभकामना छ है। जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम, बम बम भोले, हर हर महादेव।